So let's now talk about the third category of preposition, which is my Wechseln. Wechseln preposition. These are also 9 in total. And there is an acronym to memorize or to learn to remember these prepositions. You can learn them as Sunu Hawai. Sunu Hawai. So you can learn it as Sunu Hawai. Where this Z refers to zwischen, U refers to unter, neben. Okay, this umlaut I need. Yeah. Über, hinter, an, vor, auf, in. Zwischen is between, under, next to, over, above, behind, on, in front of, on, in. In. Whenever we use, now note, very important for this particular one. Wechseln prepositions known as two-way or changing prepositions are used in both ways, that is accusative and dative. When the verb shows movement or let's say change of position or an action, the preposition is used as accusative. When the verb shows no movement, no change of position, no action, the preposition is used as a dative. Sometimes there is a misunderstanding or a doubt between an and for. An is used for vertical objects and auf is for horizontal object. This is very important. Very important. Let's take an example. I am keeping the pen on the table. The pen is on the table. In the first sentence, I see the action. The pen was in my hand, now I am keeping it on the table. Ich stelle or lege den Kuli auf den Tisch. Akkusativ. Der Kuli ist auf dem Tisch. Dativ. Auf dem Tisch. Dativ. He is hanging the clock on the wall. The clock is on the wall. Er hängt die Uhr an die Wand. Die Uhr ist an der Wand. You see? That is the only and only difference between Wechsel as accusative and Wechsel as dative. Spelling of independent is wrong, incorrected. Which way? Okay. Thank you. See, sometimes we do mistakes. Thank you, Sanjana. I have kept pen on the table. I am keeping. That's correct. I have kept pen on the table. Now the pen was in your hand, and you have kept it. So the position was something else, and now the position is different. That's correct. It's like with auf, you're not touching the object. No, 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 no. As a dative, you're not touching the object. Let's say another one. I am keeping the milk in the refrigerator. Ich lege or stelle die Milch in den Kühlschrank. I am keeping it. The milk is in the refrigerator. Die Milch ist im Kühlschrank. Milch ist im Kühlschrank. So, the only rule is if there is an action or there's a movement, the preposition is going to be used as accusative. If there is no action, no movement, preposition will play the role of dative. I am sitting in the car, or I am going to sit in the car. That means I am outside right now and I am going to sit in the car. Accusative. I am in my car right now. Dative. Okay? That is very important. The father is keeping the books between the tables. Der Vater stellt die Bücher zwischen die Tische. Now, whenever we use between or zwischen, the nouns are always plural because you put something between two objects. Ich habe, so Vaishnavi, your question is, have kept the pen on the table in the past tense. That's okay. It has nothing to do with the past or present. That moment the pen was in your hand and you kept it on position 2. Position 1 was your hands and now you have kept it on position 2. Ich habe den Kuli auf den Tisch gestellt or gelegt. Ich habe den Kuli, it was in your hand, I kept it on the table. You change the position. That becomes your accusative.